Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Solidity Structs. It's a data type of Structs is a data type, complex data type. We can say in a programming language, uh, and like in the other programming language also we use the structs. So here also to represent a complex data type, we use this. It's if you see the definition, so a struct type are used to represent a record. Okay. So which type of record? So suppose you want to keep track of your book. Let's say one example like I have a library and I want to keep track of that. So obviously, for a book we have a title, authors, subject, book ID. These are the attributes for a book in a library. Okay, so what we do to represent this all together, this all property together, we use the structs. So basically, in structs, all the property will bind together. Okay. So let's see like how we define the structs. So to define the structs, we have a structs keyword in Solidity, and we can choose any value, any meaningful uh, name here. Okay, and then we can provide the property. So which all property uh, you want to define here. So you can take any number of property here in this definition, in a struct definition. Okay, and now to use this, once you define this structs, a struct here, we have how we can use this. So basically, see, this is the one example. If I declare a struct book, okay, then in a struct book I have taken the properties like title, author, book ID. Okay, these three properties I have defined inside defined for the book. Okay, so now how we will use this in actual, how we will code this in actual programming in Solidity. Okay, so in Solidity, let's move to the remix ID. I'll show the users how we can use it. Okay, so I have already written this code. Okay, so simply I am explaining now line by line, and then I'll run this and I'll deploy this contract, and then will this show you the output of this. So how we can use it. So basically, I have declared a contract. Okay, contract name is test, and in this contract what I did, I have taken the structs. I have defined a book as a struct type. So basically it's a reference type of data type. So here in book, actually we have taken three, I have taken three property: title, author, and book ID. So these three property I have taken. So this is the definition. So here we have defined it. Now how we can use it? So if we want to use, so we can declare book, okay, this struct name, and then this reference. So that is the variable. And what I did here, I have declared one function. Function name is setBook, and it's a public. Don't bother about this infinite gases and all. That is the other part. We will see in the coming video. I'll explain each and every things. But here, like in setBook, I have what I am doing now. I have declared a variable. Okay, book. So already declared variable is here, right? So book, and in this book, I am creating this. I am creating calling this book code structs and passing the values like learn Java or Solidity. Let me change this Solidity, and author name is something like TP or dk, and the book id is 1. So in this function, in set book function, I have assigned the value. I have okay. Now what I did now, now I am call simply using. I have defined some different get book ID. Okay, so this method, through this method I am trying to get the ID of a book, basically whatever we have created here. So it's a function, and that is a public function, and it's a view type only. Okay, and it returned the u in unsigned integer. And so how we will get this? So we have a book. Book is a reference of a struct, right? So book dot id, simply by using dot id we can access any property of this. Suppose if you want to access function, if you want to access the title, so I'll declare get title here, and then I'll do the public view return is a string. Sorry, returns, and then it will be a string, right? And then here it's showing error. Let me check. So a string, it will be a memory only, so we will use the memory key here. Now what I'll do it, I'll write the return, then what I have to return, book id. Okay, not id, actually title. Sorry, dot title, simply I can paste it, and yes. So now here this get title will return the title of this. So now I'll my this is compiled now because I have set the auto compile enable here. So no need to compile here. Now I'll go to the deployment part. So I will deploy this contract, test contract, by using clicking on the deploy button. So once I click, my contract is deployed successfully. If you see this, now we'll go here and see. So we have a three functions here. Set function, these all are the public function. So we can see these three button here basically. So first what we will do, first we will click on the set book. Okay, so what will happen, the book will get created. um, before before clicking set book, if I click here, we will get nothing, right? For get title also a string, simple a string. So see, first I'll click here. So what will happen, now this record will created. Okay, now if I want to get the id of this, simply click on this and see guys, the here value got changed here, like 1, it's become 1. So this is the first record and first id is created here. And similarly, if I click on the title, then you can see the learn solidity, so it's returning the solidity. So this is what, like, the use of structs in the solidity basically. So so you might be under, you might have some now you got the clarity, right? Why we are using this structs keyword, guys, right? Like combining all the things together and keeping in a single, bucket, we can say, like in a single place, so that we can use these structs in wherever we want to use it. So hopefully it's clear your doubt, guys. If you have something, please comment me your doubts. And friends, also, if you have any suggestions, please please give your comments in the comment section. And please subscribe my channel, press bell icon for subsequent videos. You will get the notification soon. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.